If your factory depends on inspection to control quality, you don't have a quality system. You have a detection system. Because inspection does not create quality. It only finds problems after they are already created. So the real question is, why are we depending on inspection instead of building system? Hi, I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Swades QMS and quality management consultant. In this video, we will understand why inspection replaces system in many companies, what problems it creates, and how to shift from inspection to real quality system. Simple, practical, and based on real shop floor experience. Why companies depend on inspection? Let's understand reality. Inspection is easy to implement. You can hire inspectors, create checklist, check product, and immediately you start finding defects. So it gives a feeling that quality is under control. But this is only temporary control. What actually happens? Let's see what happen in real situation. Process is not stable. Variation is happening. Defects are being created. But instead of fixing process, we increase inspection. More checking, more people, more effort. Still, defects continue because root cause is not addressed. What's the real problem? The real problem is this: inspection focuses on output, system focuses on process. If process is weak, inspection cannot save you. Even 100% inspection cannot guarantee zero defects because inspection is after production. Defect is already created. Biggest misconception: many organizations believe more inspection is equal to better quality. This is not correct. More inspections means more detection, no more prevention. Quality improves when defects are prevented, not when they are detected. So, what a real systems looks like? A real quality system focuses on process control, standard work, defined parameters, error prevention. In this system, operators know what to do. Process stays stable. Defects reduce at source. Inspection becomes support, not main control. Let's make it practical. First one, define process parameters. Clearly define machine settings, process limits, acceptance criteria. This reduces variation. Second, standardize work. Create simple standard work instructions. Operators should know what to do, how to do, what to check. This builds consistency. Third, in-process control. Do not wait for final inspection. Check during process. Early detection reduces loss. Fourth, mistake proofing. Where possible, use Poka-yoke so that error cannot happen. Prevention is strongest control. Fifth one, reduce dependency on final inspection. Gradually reduce final inspection dependency. If process is strong, inspection load reduces automatically. So what are the common mistakes? Avoid these mistakes. Increasing inspectors without improving process. Depending on final inspection. Ignoring process variation. Treating inspection as solution. These create false confidence. So what's the role of leadership here? Leadership must shift focus from how many defects found to why defects are created. This changes entire system. And what improves after the change? When system improves, defects reduce, rework reduces, inspection cost reduces, productivity improves. Most important, quality becomes stable. Inspection does not create quality. It only finds problems. Real quality comes from strong process, stable system, shift from detection to prevention. If you found this video useful, Like this video and subscribe to Swades QMS. We will continue learning practical quality management in a simple way. If you want to build a system where quality is produced, not inspected, you can contact Swades QMS. Details are in the description. Thank you for watching.